L-uniku mod biex nelbu l-populiżmu u l-estremizmu mhux billi nuru superjorità morali jew ninjoraw imma billi noffru soluzzjonijiet prattiċi għall isfidi li qed jaffaċċjaw in-nies. Dan hu l-bilanċ li rridu nsibu waqt li nerġgħu lura l-politika taċ-ċentru. Dan qalitu l-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Roberta Metsola waqt diskors ewlieni fi New York iju tindirizza s-summit tal-Konkordja kif bħalissa qed titlaq għall-Assembleja Ġenerali tan-Nazzjonijiet Uniti.
Now people will look to us for leadership, for stability and direction as we seek to exit the era of omni-crises.
Roberta Metsola qalet li wasal żmien li nindirizzaw l-isfidi ekonomiċi u soċjali bit-tkabbir ekonomiku li ma jħalli lil ħadd lura.
We can harness all the benefits of digitalization and artificial intelligence while ensuring our people are safe online and protecting freedom of speech. We can manage our borders without losing our compassion. We can adopt policies that are ambitious enough to address climate change and lower energy prices while still ensuring that crucial decarbonization policies work for our industries, our families and our farmers. We can re-industrialize and grow our economies without leaving anyone behind. We've done it before. We can do it again, better, faster.
Fid-diskors tagħha l-President Metsola tkellmet ukoll dwar l-importanza ta' kooperazzjoni aktar b'saħħitha bejn l-Unjoni Ewropea u l-Istati Uniti.
And now is the time, perhaps more than ever before, to renew our transatlantic relationship, to reinforce our alliance of global democracies on the world stage. Distinct but together is the only way forward.
Fi żjara tagħha fi New York, il-President Metsola kellha diversi laqgħat bilaterali ma' mexxejja internazzjonali waqt l-indirizzat avvenimenti varji.